students, welcome to the English class. Students, in previous session we started a new poem of book Beehive, and the name of poem is The Snake Drawing, and it is written by W.W.E. Ross. Students, we discussed in previous session that this poem is about the snake, and the poet has given a different view about the snake, as we considered that a snake as a dangerous reptile. But now poet has presented snake as a poor victim, then who is trying to save himself from the attack of human beings. It means, according to the poet, if snake bites somebody and attack on some person, so he does this only to save himself, because he also get afraid from the people and he attacks on the people in the self-defense. So students, in previous class we completed first stanza. Now let's continue the poem. Now first of all we will recite stanza number 2. He glides, throw the water away from the straw, oh let him go over the water into the reeds to hide without hurt. Small and green, he is harmless even to children. So now he glides through the water away. So now poet is saying, as a person who has seen the snake and he get afraid, he get horrified, and he is trying to kill the snake. And as he is having a stick, and by a stick he is trying to kill snake. And snake, the poor victim who is trying to save himself. So he is getting a place, he is finding a place to hide. So he glides, he slips through the water. Now he ran towards the water, and from the straw means the effort on something. Now he is making efforts to hide, to save himself. Now poet is also standing there and he is watching all these activities, and he is saying to that person, hey person, oh let him go over the water. Now let this snake to go over the water, because even the snake is also horrified. So let him go into the water to save him. So don't attack on it, because now snake is going into the reeds. Reeds means water plants with thick stems. So as it is going into the reeds to hide, snake is trying to move inside the reeds so that it could save himself. So here now poet is also telling to that person that who is trying to kill snake. Poet is advising that person that here let the snake to go away. Let him to go into the reeds without making any hurt to snake. Because now here this snake are small and green. This snake is small and green in color, and he is harmless. Harmless means then here without making any harm. He will not provide any harm to anybody, even to children. So this snake is doing all these activities just to save himself. He will not make any harm for us. So he is also poor victim. So let him go away from here. So even for children, this poor victim is not any dangerous reptile. So he is also horrified and here we can say then poor reptile. So let him go away from here so that he would able to save himself. Now along the sand he lay until observed and chased away, and now he vanishes in the ripples among the green slim reeds. So along the sand, first of all it was lying in the sand, and as most of the snakes are having green and brown color, so as it is lying in the sand, so it is seeming like the sand. So in deserted area, so it is lying in the sand, so it is seeming same like the sand. So it is nobody is able to observe then where sand is there and where is snake, because both are seeming same. So it has observed. He lay until observed. Observed means seen. It has seen only when it has moved, and now it has moved making movement. Now first of all it was lying in the sand, and now when somebody is chasing snake, so now snake is running towards the ripples to save himself, and now he has gone among the green slim reeds to save him. So here first of all he was, earlier it was lying in the sand and it was lying very comfortable, but when it find out, then here it is having a harm from human beings, so it started running towards the slim reeds and the water, so that it could hide him from the attack of human being. So here students, through this poem, the poet tries to make us understand that always snakes are not harmful. It means now we should, as by seeing only, we should not try to kill them, because now these poor creatures are also part of this universe and they are having the same right to live their life like us. So without any problem, then we should not kill them only because of this point that here that is a snake and that can also provide or make a harm for us. So these poor creatures are also having their own importance, their own place. So we should leave them and we should not make any harm for them. Students, now along with this, now poem has completed. I hope that you have understood this poem. Still, if you get any confusion, any query, then contact me for clearing your doubts.